You know what? Convenience is the spark, addiction is the flame, and together they fuel our need for more. Okay, then, so let me tell you one story. You and your friend has went to watch one movie at a mall. You reach the mall and you entered the theater and you pull off your phone as usual and you shot one small video to post on Instagram as a story. You shot the story and you try to upload, but even the Instagram is not able to load the stuff and your net is like mad right now. But the friend next to you, he shot the same video at the same quality at the same place, and his story got uploaded within seconds. Even though, let me tell you, the two people are on the same network like Airtel and at the same place at the same stage, but once the first person story doesn't even got uploaded and the second person story got uploaded within seconds. How would that even happen? And that can be a feature because Airtel has changed the game with the priority postpaid. They have announced that they are going to roll out the priority postpaid feature that will, like, the postpaid user will get priority, as the name suggests, and it says like it uses the technology called 5G network slicing, which is already in US and Germany, and the Airtel is the first company which going to introduce this technology in India for the first time. But yeah, this technology kind of work against the user welfare, because as the priority is going to given only to the customers who are willing to pay more, and the person who are not willing to pay more, that is going to be get slower speeds. Yeah, so thing is here is Airtel is saying no, we are not going to like differentiate between the postpaid and the prepaid that much, because they are saying that the current prepaid users will not face that amount of big issues while using the internet. But we all know companies are here to make profits and they are going to give priority to the postpaid users who are willing to pay more. And talking about the users of Airtel, so the 465 million are the current mobile users, and out of it 30 million are postpaid, so you can do the math for yourself. But the thing is, Airtel is trying to increase their ARPU, that stands for average revenue per user, like the company, how much they can earn from a single user, right? So the company is trying to push their users towards the postpaid plan, and as a company perspective, that is not wrong. That is actually a great business strategy, as if you want a better customer experience, if you want better speeds, if you want better network quality, switch to postpaid. You can get better speeds, you can get priority. But as a customer point of view, that is kind of unfair, to be honest. But like, if you are only going to give this service to the postpaid, the person who is willing to pay more, but yeah, this is business and we can't do anything about it. But the thing is, this is not just in telecom industry. Out there, this is applied to everything right now. If you have a YouTube, you are watching this on YouTube only, right? If you don't want ads, pay YouTube 180 rupees per month. If you want groceries delivered at your home by just sitting here, pay more and we'll deliver. If you want priority in temples only, VIP tickets, like VIP darshans. That is not the only the telecom is doing here. We are only emphasizing on this because we are seeing this thing right now, but this thing is applying on everything right now, because as a user, the company want more ARPU as compared to previous, and the telecom industry is trying to get like 300 or 400 rupees ARPU. Right now they are something around 230 or 240, but yeah, Airtel is having a great ARPU compared to the Jio and Idea, but the Vodafone Idea, sorry for that. But yeah, so the companies are trying to pull off more revenue from the users, but that is kind of unfair for the users itself. But we can't do anything about it, as the companies will grow and the priorities will change. The time flies, right? You know what? There are only two things that make you pay more. First is convenience, and That's just the Pepsi, by the way. So there's the two things that make you pay more, because the convenience, the first thing is just like pay like UPI and buy grocery just staying at your home, or watch movies on Netflix instead of going at the theater. But the thing is, the second thing is addiction. Back in the days, I still remember we used to scratch a 25 rupees scratch card, and we are used to get like 100 or 200 megabytes of internet. But this time around, we are getting like 1 or 2 GB of internet, and we are just scrolling, and like the apps, thanks to the applications such as Instagram and all the stuff, the algorithms are like taking over our brains. But the thing is, we have all got addicted to our smartphone, and that's not the addiction. That is like everything is just like on a smartphone only. Booking, like education, taking calls, taking meetings, attending meetings, watching stuff, entertainment, education, business, everything is on a phone right now. Even though this is my phone which I'm shooting right now on, this is only my editing device, and this is the only device that I use priority, right, on priority basis. So this is the only thing that I carry around, and I have to have the internet to in order to do my work and to entertain myself, educate myself. So addiction, kind of addiction, but yeah, that's what makes us pay more. Internet is now a basic priority or a need, we can say, after food and shelter, and that's what make pay us more. Okay, so let's about what you can do as a consumer. So the thing is, let's talk about the pricing first. So the postpaid plan is around 449 plus GST, so that will be around 530 Indian rupees. And the prepaid plan, which the most of the users use in India, that is around 339 or 349 per month. And so yeah, so the thing you can do, the first thing is, if you're a prepaid user already of Airtel, then yeah, congratulations to you. You are already gotten upgrade for free without any extra charges. But if you're at a prepaid, if you're on prepaid right now, you have to make sure that there are two things only, there are two kind of users, I will say, in this category, if you want to solve this problem thoroughly. So the thing is, if you are on Wi-Fi, or at your office you have a great Wi-Fi at 100 Mbps or 30 Mbps, no need to upgrade, stay on a prepaid plan, you will be okay, you will be fine. The next up is the heavy users, which is outside, which are mostly outside, or they don't want to miss on anything. They want to at a top, or they 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 don't have great internet speed from their Wi-Fi, or they want to use 5G, as this is currently unlimited. But yeah, one more thing, 5G, the Airtel and Jio are trying to cut off the unlimited 5G, and they are going to give only limited 5G. I don't know how it's going to pull off, because as just me, I use 5G a lot, because it's unlimited and you get like 200-300 megabytes per second, just like sitting at home, which even your Wi-Fi can't even provide. Like if you want that kind of speeds, you have to pay like 900 or 1000 rupees per month for your routers. But Geo, you just pay 350 and you will get unlimited 5G, right? Let's talk about the previous point. So the first user is like the the light user, who have Wi-Fi and at their home and the office as well. No need to worry about, just go with the flow, don't need to worry, and no need to upgrade to. But the next up, you have a 5G phone and you want a better experience outside also, even though you have a Wi-Fi at your home, at your office. But even though, if you don't want to miss a bit, even if even you are out of your house, then yeah, you can just pay 100 or 200 more, 150 more, get a priority plan. That's the thing, because we can't stop using the internet overall, right? And the third way can make everyone happy, that is the government, TRAI, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, comes into the picture and tells and regulates every telecom company in India that you can't do this anymore, you have to give everyone the same network quality. That can be a savior, but I don't think so, because they have to take the ARPU ahead, and the telecom industry is really expensive. You have to have a lot of cash to burn, and in order to be like running day-to-day operations. So yeah, first thing, just stay happy with your 5G phone only, the not normal quality network. If you have a better Wi-Fi speed at your home or your office. So next up, if you want a better experience everywhere, then yeah, consider paying 150 or 100 rupees more per month and get a priority thing. And yeah, the two options you have right now. We can't stop using the internet, right? We can't even say that, yeah, okay, you are increasing the pricing, I will not use the internet. That is not the thing. We require internet everywhere, to pay, to watch, to do anything in this world right now, because we are so connected to internet that we can't ignore that stuff. And yeah, one more thing, the Airtel is the first competitor who is going to do this thing, and I guess the Geo and Vodafone Idea will join the race soon, because yeah, they also want to increase the ARPU, as I said. So that's the video of today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Shubham, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this new technology which is working against us. Yeah. So yeah, comment section is open, and yeah, thank you for watching. My name is Shubham, and cheers guys.